How to create group on Settle Up. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create group on Settle Up. To do so, first of all, open your Settle Up application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here, if you haven't created any group here, you will be able to see this interface. Simply tap on create a new group, and if you have already created a group and you would like to create a new group, then you will need to tap on 3 horizontal bars at the top left corner of your screen, and then here select create a group option. Simply tap on it, and then here now you will need to enter the name for your group. Once you have entered the name, select the color from here and then tap on create group option. By doing so, you will see you have successfully created group on it. Now you will be able to add friends to your group by simply tapping on the plus button at the bottom right, or you may also tap on the share link button right here in order to share your link so that your friends can join the group. So by following these steps, you should be able to create a group on Settle Up. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.